I'm making quick skillet chicken fajitas from the 5-ingredient diabetic diet cookbook for beginners. Let's get started. You can get this link down below. You can get it on Amazon. For this recipe, you need 1 1/2 pound chicken breast sliced thin, 2 teaspoons olive oil, 4 cups sliced bell peppers and onions. This one I grew in my garden. 2 teaspoons, no salt, homemade fajita seasoning, and 8 whole wheat tortillas. First thing you do is you put those 2 teaspoons of olive oil into a pan on medium heat and heat that up. I'm adding some drops of water. When those pop, I know my oil is ready to cook with. Hear the sizzle, so we're going to add our chicken to our olive oil. And then we're going to cook for 6 to 7 minutes. Once you have cooked that for 6 to 7 minutes, you're just going to add your peppers and onions into your pan and cook for another 6 to 7 minutes. And I'm stirring up a little bit. The nutritional facts for one fajita are 502 calories, 59 grams of protein, 12 grams of fat, 38 carbohydrates, 7 grams of fiber, and 426 grams of sodium. Your last step is to just add that fajita mix down into there, your fajita seasoning, and then toss to coat. And to me, it's all about how I want the consistency of my vegetables, because I don't like crunchy peppers and those kind of things in my food. So I just kind of cook it till they are the consistency that I want. It smells really good though. And then we're just going to dish this out in 8 equal portions, because we have 8 tortillas. And then you've got your dinner or your meal prep for the week. This would be a great dinner for 4. There's what we look like. I'm going to dish this out onto a tortilla. Now for a creative twist, you could add lime juice or cilantro flavor without increasing your sodium. You could swap the tortilla for a lettuce cup. That's if you want a lower carb version. Let's give this a try. Okay, so it's hot. You want to serve our food hot, right? That's really good. Try these for yourself. Come back next time to see what we're cooking.